Welcome back to the broadcast. This is KTN Prime. Now, each county could soon have a national referral hospital if a bill by Homa Bay MP Gladys Wanga is passed into law. The bill, which is currently being subjected to public participation before being tabled in Parliament, seeks to improve access to healthcare at the county level, as well as reduce reliance on the 5 national referral hospitals. Our Fred Kagonya has more details.
Under the current laws, the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council has the mandate to checklist if health facilities have attained the status to be elevated from their current status to the next level, but denies the council the powers to declare a facility a national referral hospital. It is this gap that the National Referral Health Facilities Bill seeks to fill.
This is what this bill is curing, so that there is a known legal accreditation process, an authority that can be held to account. The standards are clear.
The bill also seeks to have all level 5 hospitals elevated to national referral hospitals.
These level 5 facilities then join the league rank of national referral health facilities.
But to ensure that each county can eventually have a national referral hospital, the bill also seeks to ensure that every county has a level 5 hospital.
In all the 47 counties, there must be a level 5 facility.
Once established, the facilities will be managed by a 13-member board.
They are managed jointly by the national government and the county government.
In the bill, Wanga also proposes to have donor funds go directly to facilities and that hospitals retain the money they raise.
When there is a conditional grant for purposes of certain facilities, that money goes directly to those facilities. The A&A that hospital raises does not go to the county either. It remains within the facility and is managed by the board.
Fred Kagonya.
The United Green Movement Party